Hey YouTube. I started this channel called the GameMaker Stud. I've been working in GML for well over 10 years now, have made dozens of games, and consider myself to be one of the top 100 GML programmers in the world. I was just a teenager when I got started with the engine, and now I'm a software engineer with a CS degree from Georgia Tech, and GameMaker has been with me every step of the way. This community is close to my heart, but it's been apparent for years now that it's very hobbyist driven. Nearly everyone is a self-taught coder, the forums are shallow, and free resources for learning higher complex techniques are non-existent. This is where I come in. I know the ins and outs of this engine, primarily from trial by fire. I did the dirty work, so you don't have to. I'll be covering interesting topics that are not exclusive to GameMaker Studio, but will be demonstrated via GameMaker Studio, so if you're interested in video game development at all, stick around and you might learn something new. Let's go.